subscribe for more health-related videos, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Self-confidence is important to your health and psychological well-being. Having a healthy level of self-confidence can help you become successful in your personal and professional life. When you believe in yourself, you'll be more willing to try new things. Whether you apply for a promotion or sign up for a cooking class, believing in yourself is key to putting yourself out there. If you feel confident about a presentation you're going to make, you'll focus on delivering your message to your audience. If, however, you lack confidence in your ability to communicate, you may worry that no one is listening. Fortunately, there are things you can do to boost your self-confidence. Whether you lack confidence in one specific area or you struggle to feel confident about anything, these strategies can help. Here are 5 easy ways to boost your self-confidence now. Start 2021 the right way. 5. Stop comparing yourself to others. Researchers found that people who compared themselves to others experienced envy. And the more envy they experienced, the worse they felt about themselves. It can be a vicious cycle. Pay attention to times when you compare your wealth, possessions, skills, achievements, and attributes. Thinking that other people are better or have more will erode your confidence in yourself. When you notice you are drawing comparisons, remind yourself that doing so isn't helpful. Everyone is running their own race and life isn't a competition. 4. Take care of your body. It's hard to feel good about yourself if you're abusing your body. Skimping on sleep, eating an unhealthy diet, and refraining from exercise will take a toll on your well-being. Studies consistently show physical activity boosts confidence. Make self-care a priority. When you're feeling at your best physically, you'll naturally feel more confident about yourself. 3. Practice self-compassion. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with kindness when you make a mistake, fail, or experience a setback. Speaking to yourself harshly won't motivate you to do better. In fact, studies show it tends to have the opposite effect. Rather than beat yourself up or call yourself names, try speaking to yourself like you'd talk to a trusted friend. Cut yourself some slack, laugh at yourself, and remind yourself that no one is perfect. 2. Embrace self-doubt. Sometimes, people put off doing things, like inviting someone on a date or applying for a promotion, until they feel more confident. But sometimes, the best way to gain confidence is by doing. Practice facing some of your fears that stem from a lack of self-confidence. If you're afraid you'll embarrass yourself or you think that you're going to mess up, try it anyway. That doesn't mean you shouldn't prepare or practice. If you have a big speech coming up, practice in front of your friends and family so you'll gain some confidence. But don't wait until you feel 100% confident before you proceed. You might never get there. Before we reveal what number 1 is, take a moment and subscribe and smash that bell icon so you'll be notified of all future videos. 1. Perform behavioral experiments. When your brain tells you that you have no business speaking up in a meeting or that you are too out of shape to work out, remind yourself that your thoughts aren't always accurate. And sometimes, the best way to deal with negative self-talk is by challenging those statements. Try doing things that your brain tells you that you can't. Tell yourself it's just an experiment and see what happens. You might learn that being a little anxious or making a few mistakes isn't as bad as you thought. And each time you move forward you can gain more confidence in yourself. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, make health your greatest wealth. If you like more tips on health and wellness, subscribe to the channel.